am Chef Dinesh, Assistant Professor at Patil University, School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies. Today I am going to demonstrate chocolate raspberry Swiss roll. And for chocolate sponge, we have to use beating method. For chocolate Swiss roll, we require ingredients: caster sugar 100 gram, refined flour 100 gram, cocoa powder 20 gram, 3 large eggs, baking powder 5 gram, whipping cream around 200 gram, raspberry syrup around 50 gram. First, we have to break the eggs in the pan. Make sure there is no eggshell inside. Then start beating. Add sugar. Do not put sugar one time and start mixing again. Then add rest of the sugar. Our egg foam is ready. That is mean incorporation of air is done. First we will add refined flour, cocoa powder, and in the last baking powder. After adding flour, make sure it will cut and fold properly. Otherwise, it will get lumps in the sponge. You have to pour in sheet pan. Sponge is ready to bake. It should be baked at 220 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After making Swiss roll sponge, we have to turn over to the paper. Cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. After cool down, pour some raspberry whipping cream. Make sure spread equally. Need to roll out. First stage. After that, the roll will be like that. Put in the middle, cover again, tie with the baking tray. Then roll out. sure tight from every side. Then this roll need to keep in the freezer at least 30 minutes. After freezer, put on cooling rack and pour some chocolate ganache. This chocolate roll transfer to fridge again for 10 minutes. Cut the Swiss roll in slices. Now decorate with some whipping cream. Some pistachio. Put some sugar sprinkles. Our chocolate raspberry Swiss roll is ready to serve.